Which famous ancient structure is located in Rome, Italy? The Colosseum. Which ocean is located between Africa and America? The Atlantic Ocean. Which staple food is made from wheat flour and water? Bread. What is the name of the currency used in South Korea? Won. Which country is famous for its cold climate and many lakes? Canada. Which country is famous for its traditional dish, pad thai? Thailand. Which country has a reputation for being a very clean and organized nation? Singapore. What is the capital city of Australia? Canberra. Which spice is known for its strong flavor and deep yellow color? Turmeric. Which country is famous for having many neutral policies? Switzerland. What is the main official language spoken in Portugal? Portuguese. What is the currency used in the United Kingdom, UK? Pound sterling. Which famous landmark is a pyramid located in Paris, France? The Louvre Pyramid. Which country has a very long border with Canada? The United States, USA. Where is the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, located? In the United Arab Emirates, UAE. Which is the largest continent in the world by land area? Asia. Which country is often considered to have the highest quality of life? Norway. What is the currency used in Brazil? Real. Which language is the most spoken language in the world by native speakers? Mandarin Chinese. The famous historical site Stonehenge is located in which country? United Kingdom. The dish sushi is famous and originated in which country? Japan. Which country is known for its many volcanoes and hot springs? New Zealand. Which country is the largest in South America? Brazil. The famous Sydney Opera House is located in which country? Australia. The country Greenland is part of which European kingdom? Denmark. Which ocean borders the west coast of the USA? Pacific Ocean. Tacos and burritos are popular traditional foods from which country? Mexico. The Sahara Desert, the world's largest hot desert, is mostly located on which continent? Africa. Which country is famous for its high-speed bullet trains, Shinkansen? Japan. On which continent is the country Egypt mainly located? Africa. Which country is named after the famous explorer Christopher Columbus? Colombia. The Rocky Mountains are a large mountain range located on which continent? North America. What is the currency of the European Union member countries? Euro. Which country is famous for its many canals and windmills? Netherlands. What is the capital city of Canada? Ottawa. The famous ancient ruins of Machu Picchu are located in which country? Peru? Which continent is almost entirely covered in ice? Antarctica. What is the capital city of China? Beijing. Which ocean is the smallest by area? Arctic Ocean. Which country is known for its tropical rainforests and Amazon River? Brazil.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.